Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning with efforts extending towards students, teachers and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Hello children, how are you all? I think you all are fine. Myself Sharanya. I am taking your EVS subject. Today I am going to touch a subject about me and my family. You know what is family. You all are in the family. Yes. Somebody is hiding here. Can you see? Back of me. No? Yeah, one girl is hiding back of me. Why she is hiding? Yeah, she feels shy to confront. Okay, no problem. I will tell about her. Environmental studies. Today's our topic is me and my family. Me and my family. Okay, just now I said one thing. One girl is hiding behind of me, back of me. Who is she? Her name is Rekha. What's her name? Rekha. Rekha is a girl. Where is Rekha? Now you are searching, no? Where is Rekha? Yes. Now I will tell about Rekha. How old she is. What she is going to do. Is she studying or is she working? We can see now. Yes. Rekha is how many years old? Yes, Rekha is 6 years old. How many years? 6 years old. Then what she is doing? She is also like you, studying in first standard. Yes, Rekha is studying in first standard. She is also like you, first standard girl. Then Rekha's school, you know which school Rekha's? Rekha study Gurukula Public School. Which school she is? Gurukula Public School. You all know about this school, no? Your school only. She is a new admission of first standard. Rekha studying Gurukula Public School. Rekha studying Gurukula Public School. Then Rekha's favorite color, you know. Rekha's favorite color, you don't know? Yeah, Rekha's favorite color is red. I know about her because she said already her all information. Same way you should tell about yourself. How will you say? Means your name. You should first say your name. Yeah. My name is. Here I already written Rekha. What is your name? Sometimes if your name Aditi, Rajesh, Raju, like that. Anyway, which is your name, that you have to say first. Then your name. Then your age. How many old you are? Sometimes you are made 5 or 6. Some are made 7. Okay, now you have to say your name. Just take one notes and write what are the things I am going to say. Then Rekha studying in first standard. Yes, you also studying in first standard. Good. Then Rekha school is Gurukula Public School. Same, your school also Gurukula Public School. Rekha's favorite color is red. Which is your favorite color? Blue, green. Okay, which one you want to write? You write in your notes. Then here one more thing you have to know. Where is Rekha? I written only her name. Yeah, Rekha's native place you know. Yes, you don't know. Rekha is from Kundapur. Then you can write your native place. Where you are. Native place means which place you are located. That place name you have to write down. Okay. Now you are all curious about Rekha, no? Shall I call her here? You want to see? You all are eager to see her? Yes. Now I will call Rekha. Can you see this image? Everyone can see. Here, who is there? Nobody, no, only shadow image you can see, no? Yeah, now I will turn. See, this is Rekha. This is Rekha. Now I will stick here. Who is this? Rekha. Yes. Now, Rekha's family, only Rekha is there. No. Her father, mother, brother. Yes. Family means not only one girl or boy or single mother or father, grandmother or grandfather. Not like that. A group of people living together is called a family. What is the definition of family? Yes. Shall we write now? I will rub this all the things. I think you all got this point. A family, group of people living together. Group of people living together, not separate. They should live in same house or home. We can say it is a family. Yeah, here Rekha's family. Who are they? You don't know now. Only Rekha you can see. Okay. Now shall I call one by one Rekha's family members? Okay. Are you interested to see? Yes. Now I am going to call all the Rekha's family members. Same way you should write your family members. Instead of Rekha's father name, you write your name. Instead of Rekha's mother name, you write your mother name. Then same way brother and sister. Okay. Shall we start now? Introduce the Rekha's family members? Yes. See, first I am going to introduce. Here one shadow image is there. Can you see, children? Yes. What it is? Shadow image. Yeah. Will you guess? Who's this? Rekha already is there. Then who is this? Yeah, you try to tell. Okay, now I will show face. Yes. Now you can tell this is Rekha's mother. Who? Rekha's mother. Do you know what's her name? You know what's her name? You don't know, you know. Rekha only new admission for your school, no? Yeah, you don't know about her family. It's okay. Rekha's mother name is Radha. What's her name? Radha. Yes. Rekha's mother name is Radha. Okay. What she is doing? Is she in homemaker or she is working? Yes, she is working. What she is doing? She is a teacher. What she is? Teacher. Radha is a teacher. Whose mother Radha? Yeah, Radha is a Rekha's mother. Radha is a Rekha's mother. Yes, she is a teacher. Yeah. Then teacher means what? What work teacher is doing? You know. Yeah. What I am going to do? Same thing. Teacher is teach the children in school, not in home. Home, who is teaching you? Your mother. Yeah. In school, who is teaching you? Your teacher. Yes. Now you can understand what is the main thing teachers is doing. Next, I am going to tell about one more family members of Radha. Yes, only mother in Radha's home? No. If Radha is staying with mother only means what we can say that single parent family. What we are telling like that family means single parent family. If Radha is living with only mother or only father, not only mother, you just see not only mother, Rekha is living mother or father, we can say it is a single parent family. What we can say? Single parent family. Okay, but Radha's is not single parent family. She is living with mother and father also. Just I said example how single parent family is. Here only Radha and Radha's mother. Okay, now we can see about Radha's father. Yeah, Radha's father. Can you see this image, shadow image? Can you see? Yes. Who is he? Is it he or she? Yeah, you can see, no, it is he. Then who is he? Rekha's brother? No, I think. See once again, Rekha's father? No? Yes, it is Rekha's father. See, he is a Rekha's father. What's his name? His name is Anand. What is Rekha's father's name? Rekha's father name is a Anand. Yes. Rekha's father name is Anand. Then what he is doing? Is he in home or he is also teacher or what? No, he is in hospital. Why? What happened for Rekha's father? That question is arising in your mind. No, you know what Rekha's father is doing in hospital? Yes, he is working as a doctor. What Rekha's father is doing? Yes, he is working as a doctor. Now you got two ideas. What Rekha's mother doing? She is a teacher. What Rekha's father is doing? He is a doctor. Now Rekha's family, three members you got. One is Rekha, Rekha's mother and Rekha's father. Okay, only three. Rekha is alone. No, Rekha have what? Brother or sister? I will tell you later. Okay. Now you can see this image, children. Yeah, this is a picture of boy or girl. Can you identify? Is it girl? It's looking like a girl. No. Then boy. Yes. This is Rekha's brother. Who is he? Who is he? Rekha's brother. Good. Rekha's brother. What's his name, you know? You know what's his name? Rekha's brother name is Rahul. What is his name? Rahul. Yeah, Rekha and Rahul, brother and sister. Yeah, now you know who are the family members for Rekha's. Totally how many members are there in Rekha's family? Yes, it is 4 members. Yes, now you can say it is Rekha. Second one is Rekha's mother. Third one is Rekha's father. Then the last one is Rekha's brother. He is elder brother or younger brother? Can you guess? Yes, he is looking like a small. So, he is a younger brother. Can you guess his age? Already you know Rekha's age. 6. Then Rekha's brother age more than 6. No, because he is a younger brother. So, what's his age? Less than 6. Yeah, you can say 4, 5 or 3, 2. Okay, that is left to you. Now, you all understood what is Rekha's family members. Okay, now I will ask some questions. You are ready to tell? Answer? Yes. See, who is the head of family in Rekha's home? Who is the head? Totally how many members are there in the Rekha's family? Yeah, that is 4. Father, mother, Rekha, brother. Yeah. Then who is the eldest in her family? Yes, it's the father, head of the family. Who is head of the family? Father. Yeah. Here father is the head of the family. Then Rekha's mother, what she is doing? Is she homemaker? No. Then what? Yes, good. She is a teacher. What teacher is doing? Don't know? Yeah, what I am doing, same thing teachers is doing. Then Rekha's father, where is he? He is admitted in a hospital? No? Yeah, he is working in a hospital. Now you have idea about Rekha's whole family. If I say any question, you can give the answer. Yes. Now I introduced whole Rekha's family. Now we can see about Rekha's family chart. Family chart means who are there in the Rekha's family. They all are coming under family chart. You also have to do your family chart. You take one paper and upon you write your name because it's your family. Upon you write your name, just I will show you how to write. Rekha. Why I am taking here Rekha? First, because it is Rekha's family. Rekha is telling about her family. So I am taking her name here first. Yes. Next, who are there in Rekha's family? Rekha's. Yes, tell me. Father. Good. Rekha's father. What he is doing? Yes, very good. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. Next, Rekha's mother. Good. After father, you can write mother name. What's her name? Radha. Mother or mother also you can write, or Radha also you can write. Here I did not write father name. What's father name? Anand. You can write instead of father, Anand also you can write. Anand and Radha. Here we can write what she is doing. You know already Radha is the mother. Again no need to write mother. Yeah. So we can write what she is doing. What she is doing? Yes, she is a teacher. Then one more Chotu is there now. What he is doing? He is doing anything? No, he is staying in home. That also you don't know. Okay, you can write his name Rahul. Maybe he is also studying for KG classes. How your small brother or sister is studying now? Like. Okay. In Rekha's family chart you can understand now. Anand, Radha, Rahul, Rekha. Father is a doctor and is the head of the family, and mother is a teacher. Now we can go through the different types of family. Yes, you know, not only one type of family, various type of family we can see. Okay. Now Rekha's family, you have any doubt? No. Rekha's family is a small family or nuclear family. Rekha's family is a small. How many members are there in Rekha's family? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then is there anyone? No. So Rekha's family is a small or nuclear. That size only we can say. No, it is small means less members. If it is big means more members. Yes. Now here the 4 members is there. This is a small family. Okay children, now you understood know what is small family. We will see large family for next class. Thank you.